welcome. In the last video, I have just shown you how to create a conflict between the master and sub branch, and then now I'm going to show you how to resolve it. So to resolve it, in the market, there are different types of merge tools. Um, so what is a merge tool? So merge tool is nothing but the editor where it can show the difference between the two different repositories, and then you can take your own decision using that. So I'm going to use P4 merge tool here, and then I will show you how to download it. P4 merge download. So yeah, use this PowerForce and go to the downloads. You have a number of tools here, but you have to choose this one, Visual Merge Tool. Click on it, and then select the operating system. I'm using Windows, and the platform is 64 version, and then click download it. So I already downloaded it, right? And the next step after download, your the path is going to be here. C program files. So you have to add that into the system variable. So you know, right, how to add that into the system variable. Either you can type here environmental variables, and then click environment variables, go to the path, edit it, and then I already added it. If not, you have to add it. Right, while installation, it is also going to show you different tools, but ignore that. You don't need all of that. So you install only P4 merge tool. So yeah, so and now I will show you how to configure with the Git. So just go through these comments. This is what I'm going to use. So git config global merge.tool P4 merge, and then merge tool dot P4 merge dot path. I will give the path. Yeah, just use this 6 commands to configure your P4 merge. So I've already configured all of this. Once the configuration is done, what you have to do is you have to go to here, and then git config, type git config. So global, always global, you should have before two minuses, and then list. So you should get this. If you are getting this, it means that you already configured it. So merge tool is P4 merge, and the path of it is this. So once you have that, you can directly do whatever you want. So I already, right, I'm going to show you how to resolve the conflict now. Right. So we already seen this conflict, right? So let's say git merge tool. What will happen? See, this is what it is going to happen. I've already configured P4 merge, so it has open. Uh, so it is try to merge, and then shown a conflict for this. So test1 dot remote, and this is a base. So in the local I have this, and then in the test one, I mean in the master branch, I have one content, and in the sub branch it is different. So what you can do is either you select any of it, or just click here. If you click here, what will happen? It will ignore, or you can directly come here and say this. Click to show only corresponding test. Click for multiple selections. Just click on it, or Control Z. You want to make some changes, click to show it. This one it is going to show one by one, and then this is the next one. Uh, right? So, and if you want some changes to be made for this, what you can do is you can directly go on. So which one you have to use? Sorry. So you can click on this. So it will use automatically this one. Hello. Okay. Once you made the changes, you have to come here and then save and close it. Okay. Now, now just check the Git status. What happened now, right? Once it merge, once it resolve the conflicts, it will create a new file here. So what is this file contains? If you try to open this notepad, see this, it will give the clear information. This is what in the master branch and this is what in the sub branch. So it will keep the record for you, history, and it will, so using before merge we merged it, but this will keep the history for you, and then in future if you want you can go and see what are the changes happened and then how you merged it, right? And then if see, let's add this into the git ignore file. I don't want this to be included in my repository. How to add it? Again, echo test1 or you can use star dot test1, sorry, star dot org and then dot git ignore. Right, just try to open the git ignore and see what is there. I'm using notepad. Yeah, this is what it is. I already added it, so you don't need to worry about it. And then git status, you made some changes to the git ignore and this one, and you are not getting any untracked things, so you don't need to worry about anything. You simply go on, push it, git commit -m created conflict, git push, as simple as that. You will see this also. I have not included anything in the test1 file, right? That's it. Thank you.